Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Manycam and preparing the scene. Choose your video sources, layout, and any virtual backgrounds. Once done, focus Google Chat, open the conversation or meeting where you'll present. Make sure your browser has camera permissions enabled so it can use virtual devices. You're skipping obvious installs. Instead, set Manycam's virtual camera as active in the app and remember to keep Manycam running in the background while you switch into Google Chat. Now, in Google Chat's call or meeting interface, click the camera or device settings. You will see a camera drop-down. Select Manycam Virtual Webcam as your camera source so Google Chat receives Manycam's composite feed. At the same time, verify microphone and speaker routing to avoid audio loops. Choose your preferred mic and speakers. Once selected, preview the video to confirm your overlays and scenes appear correctly. If everything looks right, join the call and finish by actively switching scenes or sources in Manycam while you speak. Use hotkeys to keep your hands free and maintain flow. Make sure to monitor the small preview in Google Chat so participants see the correct scene. If the video goes blank, stop and reselect Manycam in the browser camera settings, then reload the tab. This often restores the virtual device. For performance issues, reduce Manycam output resolution and close heavy apps to lower CPU and eliminate stutter during your call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.